concerned that we might have developed a reliance on foreign consultants to the extent that we simply accept their advice without considering the value of our own inputs. We would like to think that the DOTR first step into our local pool of talent before hiring foreign consultants. We understand that engaging foreign consultants might be part of loan or grants, but perhaps this requirement is onerous for us. For one thing, engaging foreign consultants involves such excessive and unreasonable amount of money. Who bets the qualification of this consultant? If they work on the projects located in places where the lay of the land is same or at least comparable to the Philippines, are their services worth the money? Report from the Commission on Audit were said to point to the lack of transparency.